let's learn about dot transpose in PyTorch. So it swaps two specified dimensions in a tensor. What does that mean? Okay, let's see example 1. We have this tensor that has 1, 2, 3 in first vector, 4, 5, 6 here, dimensions 2, 3. So this is how we define it. Now let's say I want to get it like this. So I want to get 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So I want to get 1, 4 grouped together, 2, 5. How would I do that? So the shape is 3, 2. So it's very simple. We say torch.transpose vector x, and we say 0 and 1 to swap dimensions 0 and 1. So this will just swap these two dimensions. So it will be 3 and 2 here. Because this is the dimension with index 0, this is the dimension with index 1. So this will just put this as a column instead of row. So we have 1, 2, 3 as a column, and this will also be a column, 4, 5, 6 as columns. That's what happens when we swap two dimensions. Let's see the next example. Example 2. So we now have 3D tensor here. We have dimension, so the innermost dimension is 2, then 3, so we have 3 of these, 1, 2, 3, and then the outermost dimension is 2, we have 1, 2, so that's this dimension. This is how we define it. Let's say we want to get it like this. We want to get 1, 7, so this 1, this 7 together. You can pause the video and try to figure out, but I will reveal the solution now. So we will transpose dimension with index 0 and dimension with index 2. So we will transpose this dimension and this dimension. So we will take first element from this block, which is 1, and first element of this block, which is 7, and put them together into the first block. And we take second element here and second element here and put them together into second block, into this block. Then we take first element here and first element here and put them together as the second pair, and then second element in second pair, second element second pair, and put them as second pair in second block. More intuitively, instead of this 1 and 2 being in the third dimension, they're now gonna be in the first dimension. So they're gonna go 1 and 2. Instead of the third, they go to first. Okay, so here as well, 3 and 4 go from third dimension to first dimension. So 3 and 4. And so for every other one. And same happens in when we are putting elements from the first dimension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are putting them into third dimension. So first element in first here in the first dimension, first vector is going to be 1, and first dimension second vector is going to be 7. So those two elements from the first dimension get paired up and put into the third dimension. And then first dimension second element, first dimension second element, 2, 8 get paired up into the third dimension here, but PyTorch is gonna go like this: 1, 7, 3, 9, 5, 11. So it goes by columns, and then goes on to this one and says 2, 8, 4, 10, 6, 12. What I explained is just written here. So this is explanation. You can pause and read. Let's see the third example. This will help you understand it even better. So dimension number 0 has just one element in it. You see square brackets, and inside just one pair of square brackets. So it has one size. And then dimension number 1 has one element, 2 elements, 3 elements. It's this. So these are 3 elements of dimension number 1. You see here. And then number 2, 1, 2 elements, and number 3 dimension has 1, 2 elements. So we want to swap dimension number 1 and dimension number 3. Let's identify dimension number 0, which is gonna be this one. So this is the first element, second element, third element of dimension number 0. And now we want to swap it with dimension number 1. So we will take first number in the first element, 1, and first number in the second element, 7 and 13, and put them into this dimension. So 1, 7, 13. Notice that they are in the dimension number 1, which is second dimension, not in the innermost dimension, which is third dimension. So third dimension stays the same, but first dimension gets swapped with the second dimension. So then 2, 8, 14, 2, 8, 14, and 3, 9, 15. 3, 9, 15. So we are converting rows to columns while keeping the third dimension same. So this dimension has to be same. Now that we have that dimension same, let's go to the second element. For the second element here, we will take we will just continue using numbers. So now we are at 4, 10, 16, 4, 10, 16. But you need to also understand that if we look at this dimension here in the, so we look, this is the first element of the second dimension, this is second element. So if we change from the first element to second element in this dimension, then when it goes into this dimension, it will also change. So 1, 7, 13, 2, 8, 14, those were the first in the first element. And now we change to the second element, which is this, this, and this. So now we will also have these into the new brackets in as second element here. So 4, 10, 16, 4, 10, 16, 5, 11, 17, etc. This is gonna take more tries for you to master. You can continue trying, and you can support me on Patreon. You can also check some of my videos, for example, full DeepSeek V3 course for coding from scratch, almost 4-hour course. See you in the next video.